Hello guys, welcome to J Photo. Today I want to show you how you can color grade an image using Capture One. Now, as you can see here on my screen, there's a picture that is open with Capture One already. It's just for me to show you how to do it. Now, in your Capture One, the menu panel have. Now, I'm more concerned about the panels you can use to edit or color grade the image. As you can see here, the very first panel that you can use, we have the library. That is where all the imported capture, all the imported image, if you just want to view them all, you can just go to the library. Then this capture, if I click it now, you see it contains a lot of information, but the one I'm more concerned on here is the color and the exposure and the adjustments. But first of all, I will start with the color. I'll click it now. Now, once you scroll down this panel, you see the color editor. At the top of it, we have the white balance, and below the color editor, we have the color balance. And if you still scroll down, we have the black and white balance. So I will be using these panels to achieve everything and to show you now. And after doing everything, you will see the before and the after of this color grading. Now let's start. As you can see in my color editor panel, we have a direct color editor. This is tool, it's just like an eyedropper picker tool. So the shortcut for it is D, as you can see. So I'll click it now, or you press D, the tool will come out. Then I'll start with the color of our dress. You can see this cap looks like purple. I'll click it, and I want you to set your eyes at my color editor. Just watch. You can see immediately it changes to the color I just pick, like that look like it's purple. Then I will increase the saturation, the middle. You can see the middle details here. We have the hue, the saturation, and the lightness. So I will increase the saturation a bit. As I increase the saturation, I want you to check the color I just pick. Just observe the image. You can see we are be able to enhance this image. Assuming I increase the hue, you can see this image, the color I just picked has been enhanced. So you can still work on the shadow, the mid-tone, the highlight. Right now it's on highlight. Imagine, just watch, I'm increasing the highlights. You can see. So let me take it back. Now I will pick the color of a shoe. Let's scroll up a bit, then increase the hue. You can see and observe something. This color of shoe that is brown is not the only brown color we have here, so automatically it will all enhance all the brown colors we have on this picture. So that is why you must be careful when doing this. So I will take it down a bit. Then after enhancing the color of the shoe, we can click on this box she's sitting on and enhance it. Wow, you can see it has been enhanced. You can still increase the then let's pick just select the sky. Okay, this mountain, trying to pick where I will get the color at this mountain here. Okay, then let me pick the ground. Then okay, then you can see I'll be able to enhance this picture. So when doing this, you must be careful not to affect the skin. But if maybe you want to still edit it in Photoshop, you can easily use the original and this edited one to sort out what I'm trying to avoid here. So that is how I mostly do mine. So after color grading it on Capture One, I'll take the original and this edited one. Then I will sort out those skin color grading error. So you can still come to the shadow. See this panel here. You can bring the shadow down a bit. You can see. You can see. We are able to darken this image a bit. Come to midtone. You can see. Then come to highlight. Let me take it down. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's too much. Okay, you can see now. Now look at my panels here. I will just right click this image I've edited, then click new variant, or the shortcut for it is F7. I will just click it now. It will give me the original. Then click the after. This is the before. This is the after. This is the before. So thanks very much. This is how you can color grade an image using Capture One. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at JPhoto. Thanks very much. Also, you can share this video. It will cost nothing. Thanks very much. And for any tutorial you want me to do, just comment on our blog, because our blog link will be on our post in our YouTube. So just follow us on our blog, comment, and send us any requests concerning any tutorial you want us to do. Thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe.